Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to upload HD video on Facebook from PC. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, you guys have to select that video which you want to upload. Alright, so let me show you. So let's suppose you have choose the video which you want to upload. Okay, so this is the video I want to upload and this is HD video. If I go to check my properties, now here you can see it's 1930 by 1080 pixel. Okay, so it's our HD. So now here you can see photo, or you can simply create post and business site on create post in Facebook. So I am just creating post on Facebook. Now I am just going to select that video which I want to upload. Okay, so alright, now here you can see this is the video I want to upload on Facebook, and here you can use video option. If I go to video option, I can simply add the title. Okay, so let's suppose I am just adding the title and text as well. Okay, so I am done this and I am just simply click on save. So the video is being uploaded. Okay, so once the video will be uploaded, I will be able to process that video. So now here you can see it's being uploaded. It will take them, so I am just going to skip that time. So now here you can see it's 100% uploaded and I can post the video. So now here you can see this video is uploaded. Alright, so in Facebook it supports like 720 pixel HD resolution. So here you can see this is the video from PC. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.